Hi guys, I thought I'd do a little bit different video this time. This is our electric lawnmower. Now you can get them where they have batteries in them that you can charge up and run it on battery, but this one doesn't. You have to plug it in. And I'm going to start it up here in a minute, and I'll just make a couple of runs. We have a 50-foot electric cord. And here's how you start it. Just pull that and your lever. It's pretty loud. So I'll just make a couple of runs with it. And yes, you have to be careful or you'll run over the cord. And we have done that. We had to replace it. It really doesn't do a bad job. This is the uncut part. And then here's what I just cut. So, and it's got a grass catcher bag on the back. And if I wanted to, I can close that off and use the side and let the grass shoot out the side, but we'd rather use the bag. Later, guys.